What's up, Disrupt Nation? My name is Anthony Delgado, and I want to invite you to Disrupt Puerto Rico!